Say at my phone, get my data number. I say get this number too. I say get the information. So that's why this is supposed to stop me. Wait there. So I ask you a question. You see picture there? You see video them, don't it? Oh, so that's why. See you now? And tell me say sit down and tell me that boom flick and something like Kev.
You're not listening to me, you know.
Kev, and that's why you want me. You see the look split pan it top of them something there. But I could resist. But that is not an excuse.
But you're not listening to me.
What's your problem in a boy?
Hello, let me tell you something. First of all, now you understand yourself. You see you over there, so I want you to just leave me alone. After today, I don't want to have no. Hello, may I give you 5 minutes?
Patricia, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Patsy.
Fire there must tell your thing cool breeze, boy.
Patricia, please tell me say you're hearing this. You're not hearing the singing.
Hear what? The only singer in here so is me, and right now me about to sing like a canary. Me ready.
Patricia, just listen now, please. Please tell me say you're hearing this.
Fire there must tell your thing cool breeze, boy.
Patricia, please tell me say you're hearing this.
Kev, I'm gonna tell you when me hear. Me hear you, I say not guilty. Me hear one judge say guilty. Me hear one judge tell a lack after that. Me hear you ball. But on top of that, you know me hear one big sick man in there tell say for roll over because tonight you sprint proper. That me hear. Me hear ya. And that me hear.
You think you're mad yet?
Me hear you. Or
You're not mad
in
yet?
the jail cell.
But you can't manage.
You think so?
I wrong. Somebody you come wrong, put.
Okay.
You're not problem here now, boy.
Okay. You alright? No, for true. You alright? True.
Patricia, I spent 6 months in a mental institution.
Mental institution? So that means I'm not clean clothes for true.
Please don't say that. Please don't call me that.
Alright. Just take the wellness out of your eye like a bit.
Patricia, could you please come have a seat?
No, I'm alright. My good. My foot them good. I need to stretch out, you know?
In the institution, they said that my condition was based off childhood trauma. Things I really never got over in the past.
So, when I get over in the past, I was traumatized you.
Unresolved issues and a broken relationship. In short, Patricia Ferguson.
Is that Patricia, yeah? Is that not only in Japan? Kev, when I get past this?
You may have gotten over it, but I never did.
You serious about that something here? Kev, why you not get over this?
So, what you saw as a adolescent relationship, I saw it as a everlasting thing.
With that pitney them time there. We're never ready for them kind of decisions there.
It was never a decision, Patricia. It was a natural commitment. You never felt like how we broke up was premature? Be honest with me. And be very honest with yourself.
Kev, tell the truth. I'm all against mommy for years because One, you never violate me, yet, no matter what. And two, honestly, I never think you deserve it.
I didn't. And she took you away from me. She sent you overseas and painted a bad picture of me. Do you even know how hard that was to live with?
Why I can't only imagine. On behalf of my mother, I don't know if it means nothing, but I gotta apologize on behalf of her. But Kev, why do you find it so hard to move on? We are 15, 16, and 17?
Do you remember the reason why you never wanted to talk to me when you was younger?
Yeah, kind of big footballer, chat star. Have a girl in every class, girl. I know it's me and you.
And out of all of them, you were the realest. You were the one that I could actually sit down and have a conversation with. You were 15. But you acted so much way past your age. You were so much mature than I was. And I admired that.
Remember you did try to impress me with the box food? And I'm not wait that come give coffee box too. So I was not impressed. I did the next thing. Your time never yet straight. Tell me how you did manage to have so much girl pick me and not one of them could have fix it with the side for your cat. Let me not even talk about the CM. Because I see them same little girl there, them used to go behind your back and chat to say, to see me. Every time I see her pan to see me come. I remember how me take your pants, get to my hair. I couldn't even make my mother know. I had like a rag with tea. And then I iron it. I'm going to give you one seam. But then after that, one seam. And then after that, it's like seamless. Remember?